in this question 4, we have a right angle triangle has shorter side of length, open brackets, root 5 plus root 3 centimeter and root 5 minus root 3 centimeter. Work out the length of the hypotenuse. Now we are talking about right angle triangle here. So let's draw our right angle triangle. This is what we mean by right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, the angle here is 90 degrees. This is the longest side, which is called the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. So we have to find this side. The shorter side, these are the two sides. They have given us, let's say here is open brackets, root 5 plus root 3. And the other one is root 5 minus root 3 centimeter. Here also is centimeter. So we have to find the length of the hypotenuse. And we know, using Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square. Let's say here is A. So let's say that hypotenuse square, that is A now, is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So that means we are having root 5 plus root 3 square plus open bracket root 5 minus root 3 square. So this is the formula we are using, applying Pythagoras theorem. So from here, we are going to expand this bracket. But let's be very, very careful here. This bracket means, the square here means we are going to write this one 2 times. So that means we are having root 5 plus root 3 and root 5 plus root 3. So we have doubled this one. Then plus, here we have root 5 minus root 3 and root 5 minus root 3. Now let's open these brackets. If you open these brackets, we are going to have root 5 times root 5 will give us 5. Then root 5 times root 3 will give us plus root 15. To give us plus root 15. Then root 3 times root 5 will also give us plus root 15. And plus root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. That is for these two. Now let's come to these two also. Root 5 times root 5 will give us 5. Root 5 times minus root 3 will give us minus root 15. Minus root 3 times root 5 will give us minus root 15 also. Then minus times minus give us plus. Root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. So we expand this one to have this, expand this one to have this. Now, from these brackets, 5 plus 3 give us 8. Root 15 plus root 15 will give us 2 root 15. That is, we are having root 15 here, root 15 here. If you add it together, it gives us 2 root 15. So we are done with this bracket. Plus, let's come to this bracket. 5 plus 3 also will give us what? It will give us 8. It will give us 8. Then root minus root 15 minus root 15 will give us minus 2 root 15. Minus 2 root 15. Now, look at what we have here. 8 plus 8 give us 16. Then plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 we cancel each other. So we are left with 16. But don't forget that here we are having a square. A square. Our a is standing for hypotenuse. So we have here also to be a square and a square. So our a square is equal to 16. To get the value of a now, we find the square root of 16. So that is plus or minus square root of 16. So our a is equal to what? Plus or minus 4. But because we are finding length, So our answer will be A is equal to 15. A is equal to 4 rather. So our answer will be equal to A is equal to 4. That is, the hypotenuse here is 4 centimeters. That is it.